So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer files from phone to laptop and from laptop to phone using Zenda. So in case you are new on this channel, this is Charles Chinonso, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online and how to tutorials like this. So I'll be showing you the step-by-step process. Ensure you pay attention so you don't miss any step of the process. So for you to do this, it's very simple, guys. Come over to your Zenda on your phone. Once you have it on like this, then click on this plus button you are seeing right here. Can you see that? Once you click on the plus button, then you see something like connect to PC. Click on connect to PC. Awesome, you can see. So they said you should open Wi-Fi. So I'll just go ahead and open Wi-Fi over here by clicking on open. So once I click on open, I click on turn on Wi-Fi and I'll go back. So once you do this, then the next thing is for you to come over to where you have open GPS. So click on setup. Once you click on setup, then you turn it on right here. Can you see that? So that's the second step you have to take. Now the third step is for you to click on this next button right here. Go to your laptop. Once you go to your laptop, go to where you have connect to Wi-Fi. Can you see it right here? So I'll click on connect right here. So this is connecting, guys. Then come over to where you have connect to web over here. Click on connect to web. So you can see what this should do right here. So go to your laptop browser. So I'll open my browser right here by clicking on Chrome. So we've done all this. Now the third step is for us to visit our website and put in this code right here. So just type in the code you're seeing right there. So you click on enter right here. So you can see. So you click on accept right here. So now you can see our Zenda is now showing on our PC. So come to your PC, click on start right here. They're just showing you how to go about all these things. So you can follow the steps you get to understand how everything is done. But I'll just click on skip right here. So can you see that? Then right here I'll click on confirm. Can you see all that? So right here, these are my images. These are where you can see my videos. Can you see? These are some of the AI videos I tried creating in the past. And right here you get to see music, documents, apps and files. So if you want to send a file or document or a video from your laptop to your phone, it's very simple, guys. Simply come to where you have upload right here. Once you click on upload, then right here you get to see all the file you have on your laptop. So I just tap on this particular video, then I'll click on open right here. So you can see it is uploading, and right here on my phone you can see that it is moving already, like it is entering my phone already. So that's how you get to send file from your laptop to your phone. Now if you want to send file from your phone to your laptop, so just go ahead and choose the file you want to send. For example, let's assume we want to send a video. So these are videos, right? So just tap on the video you want to send. Once you tap on it, you either come here and click on download right here, or you make use of this download button you are seeing right here. So don't worry, you won't be using internet, so go ahead and click on download and the video will be downloaded to your laptop. Can you see that? It has been downloaded to our laptop. See it right here. So just go to where you have the download folder on your laptop and you get to see the video just downloaded to your laptop. So that's basically how you go about using Zenda to send file from your phone to your PC and from your PC to your phone. So I believe you got value watching this video. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.